I'm Aisha, you are watching Educational Hub. A concept paper is one of the first steps in helping you fully realize your research project. We've prepared a comprehensive guide on how to write a proper concept paper. First, we need to understand. What is the concept paper? Generally, a concept paper is a summary of everything related to your proposed project or topic. A concept paper indicates what the project is all about, why it's important, and how and when you plan to conduct your project. Since concept papers are just summaries of your research project, they are usually short and no longer than 5 pages. However, for big research projects, concept papers can reach up to more than 20 pages.
We have provided you with a generalized structure that contains elements that can be found in any type of concept paper. 1. Title. The title for your paper must be able to effectively summarize what your research is all about. Use simple words so that people who read the title of your research will know what it's all about even without reading the entire paper.
2. Introduction. The introduction should give the reader a brief background of the research topic and state the main objective that your project aims to achieve. This section should also include a short overview of the benefits of the research project to persuade the reader to acknowledge the need for the project. 3. Purpose of the study. The purpose of the study should be written in a way that convinces the reader of the need to address the existing problem or gap in knowledge that the research project aims to resolve. In this section, you have to go into more detail about the benefits and value of your project for the target audience.
4. Preliminary literature review. This section features related studies and papers that will support your research topic. Use this section to analyze the results and methodologies of previous studies and address any gaps in knowledge or questions that your research project aims to answer. You may also use the data to assert the importance of conducting your research.
5. Objectives of the study. Simply state the main objectives that your research is trying to achieve. The objectives should be able to indicate the direction of the study for both the reader and the researcher. As with other elements in the paper, the objectives should be specific and clearly defined. 6. Research questions and hypotheses. Gather the research questions and equivalent research hypotheses you formulated in the earlier step and list them down in this section. 7. Proposed methodology. In this section, you should be able to guide the reader through the process of how you will conduct the research project. Make sure to state the purpose for each step of the process, as well as the type of data to be collected and the target population.
8. Proposed research timeline. Depending on the nature of your research project, the length of the entire process can vary significantly. What's important is that you are able to provide a reasonable and achievable timeline for your project.
9. References. Ensure that you will give credit to all the authors of the sources you used in your paper. Depending on your area of study or the instructions of your professor, you may need to use a certain style of citation. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.